everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be reviewing the Etude House eyebrow pencil. This is gonna be a very short and quick video, so please keep on watching. So this is how the eyebrow pencil look like. The best part is that it's a retractable pencil, and on the one end you get the pencil, whereas on the back side you get a spoolie on. So this is how the pencil is like. You can twist it and the product comes out. You guys can see, I hope. And on the end you get a spoolie, so you don't have to carry two products for your eyebrows. Like, you don't have to carry an extra spoolie. This comes with an extra, sorry, this comes with a spoolie. Also, the shade I got here is black, because I like my eyebrows to be a bit dark. So this comes, if I'm not wrong, in 4 different shades. There is a gray, there is black, there is brown, and I think there is a lighter brown shade. So you can choose the shade that will best suit you. Now this one got this triangle type of tip. I hope it's clear. So I like the shape because it makes the application kind of precise, since it's a triangle shape. So as you guys can see, I got a very thin eyebrows. Like, my thin eyebrows are literally like not there kind of eyebrows. So that's the reason I like to use a black colored eyebrow pencil. I like to be a bit darker and thick. So now I'll show how pigmented it is. So the eyebrow pencil is, this is not extremely creamy. This got a waxy feel to it, so it's easy for the application. I don't personally like too creamy eyebrows, because you know, when you apply there will be too much of product and it will be a hassle to, you know, blend it out. So this one, it is like of right formulation, and the way it is, it's not too creamy, it's not too waxy. It's like the perfect eyebrow pencil that you can think of. So now I'll apply this and show both my eyebrows. So first, I like to take this spoolie part and brush my eyebrows in an upward motion. And after this, I like to line my eyebrows. That is, I'll give a structure. So I'll draw a line, that is out bottom I'll draw, and on the top I'll draw. So like that I'll give a structure. After that, I'll be filling in my brows. So after doing the structure, I'll go in and fill the eyebrows. So the way you have to fill is, you have to use the stroke motion. Make sure you use a very light hand when you're doing your eyebrows, because you don't want to go overboard the eyebrow. Now I'll fill in the front portion. I use a very little product because I want a more of a natural look. So I'll go in there very lightly. Make sure you fill in this front portion, or else it will look a bit weird, because from here to here it will look dark and it will be like nothing is there, like halfway through your eyebrows is like shaved off kind of feel you will get. So make sure you fill in the front portion very lightly. After filling in, you take the spoolie part and comb through it again. So what this does is that it will help to blend the eyebrows well. So if there is any clump of product, it will blend in well and nicely. So I hope now you can clearly see the difference. Like this side I have done my eyebrows and this side I have not done, so you can see the difference very clearly. Like I normally do a bigger eyebrow, but today I thought of going it like a bit natural. That's why I didn't overdraw my eyebrows. All talking about this product, it's a decent product. Like you only pay 260 rupees and you get more than you pay, because this is great. For 260 you get the product along with a spoolie, and the formula is nice, the way it feels, the application is great. So I think this is a must. I normally used to buy the Wet n Wild retractable eyebrow pencil. Since it was out of stock, I thought of giving this a go, and I really fallen in love with this. So if you're someone who is looking for a budget friendly eyebrow pencil, please do check this out, guys. I'm sure you guys will love it. So that was today's review. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please do subscribe, like and share my video. See you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe. See you soon. Bye bye.